Google is all about search. So getting onto the search team itself, I think, is very exciting. So can you give us some more insight into how search works and how many teams are behind it? How many engineers are behind it? Because if you look at Prime, I work for Prime, if it seems like simple membership management, but back end, there are like hundreds of teams supporting it one or the other way.
Okay, let's start from some of the basics, right? So search team is obviously two core teams at Google, right? Search and ads. That ads is not part of search and neither is search part of ads. Technically, the development that happens is completely rather orthogonal to each other. And as far as the search team goes, I don't know the exact figure, but I would say something like 8 to 10,000 people, like all in all, really work on search. Like there are many sub teams within it, right? But like there are two main things in search in some sense. Like there is the algorithm, like how given a query, how do we rank documents? And then the second part is the whole of infra, which enables you to do this at this massive planet scale. I think the latest search QPS was in the millions, right? So when you have to handle like millions of queries a second, you have to be careful about that. And then you have your reliability engineers, right? Whose whole job is that search should never go down, right? I think that's something of a distinction which Google, I believe, has. Don't quote me on it, but I don't think it has really went down globally ever. Like there have been specific regions which have been hit. Globally, Google.com has never been down. This is why it's an epithet, right? That if you want to check if you're connected to the internet, you go to Google.com because you know that Google.com will never be down.
Exactly.
If you can't connect to the internet, like something is wrong with your internet, not Google.com.